Clay from Dissonant Customs, and today we'll be talking about the S&S Power Tune dual headers for 1995 to 2008 Harley Davidson Touring Models. Why would you be looking for this? The old style Y pipe on the rear cylinder likes to crack. You can weld it like you see in this one. It's been done before, but it's going to crack again. So we have a couple different options for you. This is the S&S review. If you want to check out the clockworks that we've done before, check up here. The packaging is pretty straightforward. Everything is nice and solid in there. Very well protected. No issues in shipping. It comes with everything that you need to install, minus one thing. We'll cover that in a second. New exhaust gaskets, as well as exhaust stud nuts, and the bracket required for running it underneath the transmission. Here on each cylinder pipe, there are welded in bungs for O2 sensors. If your model doesn't have O2 sensors, there are plugs for them. Installation is pretty straightforward. You will have to remove the oil filler neck, as well as the outer transmission cover that has the clutch cable attached to it, in order to get to the 4 bolts to remove the original mounting system, and then to install the 2-bolt mounting system. Here we take a look at S&S's website. This particular model, the chrome version, is $559.95. Like I said, it comes with everything you need except for the exhaust retaining rings. I would recommend replacing these when you do this. And the flanges. Doesn't come with the flanges. Neither set comes with the flanges. Another kind of a con with the Chromeworks exhaust is it doesn't come with exhaust stud nuts or exhaust gaskets. It doesn't have these either. So I would recommend replacing these. They get bent up. They get corroded and gross. Just get rid of them. Get new ones. They're really inexpensive. It's totally worth your time. So if you have the original style, there are multiple options out there for you. This is just one of them. I would recommend definitely the S&S. If you have used these before, or if you plan to use them, have any questions, put your comments in the section below. And until then, ride safe and keep your knees in the breeze.